A tragic loss in Gaza. Hospital director and family among victims of airstrike. In a heart-wrenching turn of events, Dr. Marwan Sultan, the respected director of Gaza's Indonesian hospital, lost his life in an Israeli airstrike that also claimed the lives of several of his family members. This tragic incident has added to an already dire humanitarian crisis in Gaza as conflicts continue to escalate in the region. But here's where it gets controversial. The Hamas-run health ministry has condemned the attack as an atrocious act against our medical personnel. They emphasize Dr. Sultan's unyielding dedication to his patients under trying circumstances, highlighting his role as a compassionate figure throughout the conflict. The Israeli military has stated that the airstrike targeted a significant Hamas terrorist in Gaza City, and they are assessing the allegations about civilian casualties. Despite these claims, the reality on the ground is grim. At least 5 individuals were killed, including children, in another attack on a supposed safe zone in Atad-Mawasi, where displaced families sought shelter. The UN has pointed out that a vast majority of Gaza is either a military-targeted area or under the threat of evacuation orders. And this is the part most people miss. These airstrikes, while targeting militant infrastructure, have resulted in severe humanitarian consequences. The IDF acknowledges these unintended casualties, but puts the blame on Hamas for using civilians' living conditions for warfare. On the ground, witnesses like Dr. Sultan's daughter say the attacks were more targeted than the military claims, stirring debate about the nature and intent of these operations. The destruction goes beyond numbers. Families who lost loved ones in these strikes expressed disbelief at the devastation. What threat does a tent housing displaced people really pose? Is this a weapon? One man asked, holding a packet of nappies amid the rubble. As the conflict continues, lives across Gaza are marked by loss and hardship. Heat waves compound the misery, with families sheltering in tents, facing sweltering conditions without the relief of electricity or cooling. Amid these heartbreaking circumstances, what can be done? The international community remains engaged in discussions, seeking a potential ceasefire and the way forward for lasting peace. What do you think? Is there a feasible path to achieving peace and ensuring safety for civilians in conflict zones? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation.